Hey guys, today I'll be showing you 3 dump and go casserole recipes. So let's start cooking. I'm cooking my chicken. I added 2 chicken bouillon, and then once it's cooked, I'm going to shred it for my casserole. Now I'm making this sauce, which I'm going to pour it on the chicken. So you're adding your cream cheese, heavy cream. Looks like I have to wait here. It's not softening yet. Add your garlic powder, salt, black pepper, Dijon mustard. Looks like I'm running out of it. Chicken broth, and let it cook till the sauce is smooth. I added cayenne pepper, that's optional. So here's my chickens are done. I'm shredding my chicken. I'm shredding my cheddar cheese. And there it goes. Okay, spraying my baking dish, added my shredded chicken. I'm adding spinach. If you want, you can add broccoli or zucchini, whichever you prefer. Now I'm adding the sauce on top. And now I'm going to add cheddar cheese. I'll have the recipe in the description. Now bake for 20 to 30 minutes. Meatballs casserole. I'm doing a healthier low carb version. So get your ground meat, salt and pepper, oregano. I'll have the recipe in the description. Basil, onion powder, eggs, minced garlic. I like shredding my own mozzarella cheese. Add your mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese. Mix. Then now form your meatballs. They are, I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes. And I also want to let you know I like making my own sauce. I use crushed tomato. Then I add my oregano, onion powder, garlic powder. You can add whatever spices you like. Salt. I'm using sweetener. You can use sugar if you want. Add Also, I think that's it. And salt. Mix. And if you need to add more, you just add whatever you need to add to bring up the flavor. So you see I added more oregano, and then I'm pouring that on the cooked meatball. You can use marinara sauce if you want. You can, now it's ready. I'm adding my mozzarella cheese and my Parmesan cheese. I like putting it under broiler for 2 to 3 minutes, or you can leave it in to bake for 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is done. Let me tell you guys, I already tasted mine. As you know, it tastes really good and it's healthy. Thanks guys for watching. Try the recipe and let me know. It's so easy. You dump and relax in a bowl, add your cooked chicken, then you add your rotel, 1 can, then you dump your sour cream. I'll have the recipe in the description. You can add cheddar cheese or Mexican cheese, whatever you have. You dump it in a bowl. Ranch dressing, Mexican seasoning also. Now you mix. Mix well. I got my baking pan sprayed. I'm using Quest Dorito. I place it in the bottom. Now I'm adding my chicken on the top. I'm adding cream of chicken. I made my own cream of chicken. You can use your cream of chicken soup. Add your Dorito, your cheddar cheese, bake, and there it is.